Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Students, today in this video, we will solve the exercise of the first lesson. It's very easy if you have heard the lesson carefully and memorized the vocabulary. And because you don't have the textbook, so me myself go to solve the exercise. So look and listen carefully. Tamarin, exercises. Its singular is tamrinun, plural tamarin, meaning exercise. Number 1. أجب على الأسئلة التالية. Give the answer of the following questions. Number 1. هل أنت هندي؟ Are you Indian? This sentence is called interrogative sentence. Students, before we find the answer of these questions, let's go to know about negative and interrogative sentences first. So look at this page to these sentences. أنا هندي. I am an Indian. هي طبيبة. She is a doctor. These two sentences give and affirm the information in positive way that I am a doctor and I am an Indian and she is a doctor. That's why these kinds of sentences are called affirmative sentences. But when you want to negate the information that I am not an Indian and she is not a doctor, so how it is called in Arabic? Don't worry, it's very easy and simple. There are some particles of negation which is called حروف النفي in Arabic. One of them is ma. For example, ma ana hindiyun. Affirmation sentence was ana hindiyun, I am an Indian. But when you want to make this sentence negative, so you will have to add ma. I am not an Indian. Ma is used before al-jumlatul ismiya, as you are seeing here, and before fi'lul madi also. Number 2, la. Same. This word also give the meaning of negation. For example, أنا لا أحب الحرب. Affirmative sentence was أنا أحب الحرب. I like the war. But if you want to negate the information, if you want to make negative sentence, you will have to add la. أنا لا أحب الحرب. I don't like the war. So la is used before فعل المضارع for the negation. Number 3, لم. For example, أنت لم تقرأ هذا الكتاب. You did not read this book. So لم is also used for negation information in the past. Number and comes before فعل المضارع. Number 4, لن. For example, أنا لن أسافر غدا. I will not travel today, tomorrow. I will not travel tomorrow. So here lan is also used to negate information. It comes before فعل المضارع to negate the information of the future. I will not travel tomorrow. Number 5, ليس. For example, هذا ليس قلمي. This is not my pen. So, ليس is used here for the negation of the information. ليس is used in الجملة الاسمية to negate the information in جملة الاسمية. So these حروفs are ما, لا, لم, لن, ليس are called حروف النفي, particles of negation, and these sentences will be called negative sentence. After negation, if you want to ask and interrogate about anything, so how it is made? It's also very easy and simple. For this purpose also, there are some interrogative nouns which is called أسماء الإستفهام. These words are used to make interrogative sentences. Some of them mentioned here. For example, a and hal. These two interrogative nouns give the meaning of is, are, do, did according to their places, uses. For example, أمفتاح على الكتاب, a key on the book. هل أنت طالب, are you a student? So by using a and hal, these sentences became interrogative sentence. Number 2, أين, meaning where. For example, أين تسكن, where do you live? Number 3, كيف, meaning how. For example, كيف أنت, how are you? Number 4, كم, meaning how much and how many. For example, كم روبية عندك, how many rupees do you have? Number 5, ما and ماذا, meaning what. For example, ما لون القلم, what color is of قلم. ماذا تلعب, what do you play. Number 6, man, meaning who. For example, man huwa, who is he. Number 7, limada, why, meaning why. For example, لماذا أنت متأخر, why are you late. So these are the أسماء الاستفهام, interrogative articles, and these sentences will be called interrogative sentences. In short, if you want to make negative sentence, so you will have to use articles of negation, حروف النفي, with the affirmative sentences. And if you want to make interrogative sentences, so you will have to use interrogative articles. Then it will be interrogative articles before affirmative sentences. That's enough for this video. and we will solve the exercise in the next video, inshallah. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.